Number 28. Which description of cross-pollination is correct? So cross-pollination happens when the pollen grain from one flower moves to the stigma of another flower. So pollen grains are usually present in a structure called anther, and it arrives in the part called stigma. So anther is the male part of the flower, and stigma is a part of the female part in the flower. So this part is called style, and this is called ovary, and inside ovary there's an ovule and egg and stuff like that. So the anther produces pollen grains, and they usually transport by wind, insects, or any other animals. Okay, so if this happens, that's called cross-pollination. If the pollen grains from the anther just travels to the stigma in the same plant or in the same flower, that's called self-pollination. This is self, and this is a cross-pollination. So hence the answer is A. Okay.